Have you ever wondered if cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis? It's a common belief, but is there any truth to it? Let's find out. Arthritis is joint inflammation, causing pain and stiffness. Osteoarthritis is the most common type, developing as cartilage breaks down over time from injury or age. Cracking knuckles involves nitrogen bubbles in the synovial fluid bursting, creating that familiar popping sound. It is the fluid that lubricates the joints. Studies haven't found a link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Dr. Donald Unger cracked only one hand for over 60 years and developed no arthritis. So go ahead and crack those knuckles. The sound might annoy people, but your joints will probably be just fine. It's a harmless habit.